When it comes to enhancing your home's security, comfort, and curb appeal, door installation is often one of the most overlooked aspects of home improvement. Whether you're upgrading your front door or installing new doors for an entire home, professional door installation in Miami Beach is an essential investment. The unique coastal climate and high humidity levels in Miami Beach make it even more critical to ensure that your doors are installed correctly. Here's why professional door installation is crucial for homeowners in this vibrant, sunny location. Ensuring proper fit and functionality. One of the most important reasons to hire professionals for door installation is to ensure that your doors fit and function properly. Doors are not a one-size-fits-all item, and even small measurements or installation mistakes can lead to poor performance. Improperly installed doors may have gaps around the edges, leading to drafts and air leaks, which can affect the comfort of your home and drive up your energy bills. Professional installers have the knowledge and experience to ensure that your door fits perfectly within its frame, is properly aligned, and operates smoothly. This means you won't have to worry about struggling to open or close your door, and you can enjoy a properly functioning entryway that looks and feels great. Enhanced security and durability. Your doors serve as one of the primary lines of defense against intruders, so security is always a top priority. In Miami Beach, where burglary can be a concern, having a strong, secure door is crucial for your peace of mind. Professional door installation guarantees that your new doors are fitted with the right hardware and locking mechanisms to keep your home safe. Professionals are skilled at ensuring that the door frame is securely installed and that all components are properly reinforced. They can also recommend high-quality, durable door materials that will not only provide increased security but will stand up to Miami Beach's humid climate. Fiberglass, steel, and solid-core wood doors are all excellent choices for durability and security, but the installation process needs to be precise to maximize their effectiveness. By hiring professionals, you'll ensure that your door performs its security duties at the highest level. Energy efficiency and protection from the elements. Miami Beach's coastal location means homeowners need to be prepared for both the heat of the summer and the humidity that comes with the environment. Old or improperly installed doors can allow warm air to enter during the summer and let cold air escape in the winter, causing your air conditioning to work harder. This can significantly increase your energy costs. Professional door installation ensures that your new doors are properly sealed and insulated, which helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Modern doors often come with energy-efficient features like low emissivity glass, weather-stripping, and insulated cores, which help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. With a professional installation, you can enjoy improved energy efficiency and potentially lower your utility bills while also providing protection against the elements. Additionally, Miami Beach homeowners also need to protect their doors from saltwater corrosion. Installing doors with weather-resistant coatings and materials is essential to ensure that your doors last longer without deteriorating from the humid, salty air. Boosting curb appeal and home value. The first impressions matter, and the front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to improve its appearance, a new door can significantly boost curb appeal. A well-installed, stylish door can enhance your home's overall aesthetic, giving it a modern and polished look. Professional installation also ensures that the door is properly aligned with the design of your home, and it will complement the surrounding architecture. This means that whether you choose a classic wood design or a more modern glass and steel door, your investment will not only increase your home's value but also elevate its overall look and feel. Long-term investment in comfort and security. While DIY door installation may seem like a tempting way to save money up front, the long-term costs of improper installation can outweigh the initial savings. If the door is not installed properly, it can lead to costly repairs down the road, including fixing leaks, replacing hardware, or even having to replace the door itself. By opting for professional door installation, you are ensuring that your door will provide long-lasting comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Professional installers also typically offer warranties on both the door and the installation, providing you with peace of mind that any issues will be addressed quickly and efficiently. This makes professional installation a more cost-effective choice in the long run. Compliance with local codes and regulations. In Miami Beach, as in many areas, there are local building codes and regulations that must be adhered to when installing new doors. These regulations are designed to ensure that doors are installed safely, efficiently, and in a manner that protects both homeowners and the integrity of the property. Professional installers are familiar with local codes and requirements and will make sure that your door installation meets all necessary standards. Whether it's ensuring the door is impact resistant for hurricane season or adhering to fire safety codes, professional door installers ensure that the job is done right, so you don't have to worry about compliance issues or costly fines in the future. Final thoughts. Door installation in Miami Beach is an investment in your home's security, comfort, and overall aesthetic appeal. By opting for professional installation, you ensure that your doors are not only properly fitted but also durable, secure, and energy efficient. From boosting curb appeal to enhancing your home's protection from the elements, a professionally installed door can make a world of difference. Whether you're upgrading an old entryway or installing new doors throughout your home, professional door installation